How to fix filters not available on Instagram problem. So if you want to fix filters not available on your Instagram problem, then what you need to do is first you need to tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, make sure that you've allowed the permissions. Once you allow the permissions, you need to go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you need to go back, and if you remember your login information, you can go with clear storage also. But if you don't remember, then just leave it and only go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, you need to open up your Play Store. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. And if you have any updates on the Instagram, then go and update the application. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply uninstall Instagram and again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and log into your account, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply open up your Instagram, go with your profile, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar, and you need to scroll down all the way down and tap on help, tap on report a problem, and again tap report a problem, and tap on don't include. And here you need to explain, my filters are not available on Instagram and I want this to be fixed. Once you've written that, you can go with send, which is on the upper right, and your feedback or your report will be sent. And after that, you'll receive some instructions on how you can fix your problem. So that's how you can fix filters not available on your Instagram problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.